All right, everyone, we have just released one of the new widgets on Easynote, and it's called Files, and let me show you what it actually does. So if you add it to the Easyview, you will see it here, and you can click here to upload files and documents attachments directly to this widget. So in this case, if we open the file manager, we can just take one of the files and just drag and drop it like this, and it will show you the progress. Now, if we do something else, we can also move it left and right, of course, is we can open the file manager and just drag and drop files directly to it. Like if we do this, drag and drop, and you will see a smart progress bar that shows actually the upload. So this is pretty cool, but we can rename this, of course. So if we call this purchase maybe, and we add one of these files again to it, comes here, I can move it left. And maybe I need to upload documents which are related to installation, because in this project we are building a house, room 1. So now we need to keep track of all the documents for the purchase and attachments. And maybe we need to have documents for the installation, right? So what I can do is I can open my attachments, documents, Word, Excel, you name it. And I can just drag and drop them directly here. So now we have files in the installation and purchase, right? What I can do then is, to the left, I can see the number of attachments in this task. So I can click here and I can see a nice task activity, what has happened. And if I go to the attachment, you can see the name of the widgets here directly. And so it's pretty cool, separated directly from what is inside the Easyview. Another thing we have is you can delete this widget, and you will be asked if you would like to keep these files attached to your task, or you maybe would like to delete them. I would like to delete them in this case. How cool is this? So now you can directly see all the files and attachments directly in your widgets. This and many other features is found on Easynote, so see you there. Bye-bye.